Hello, everybody. Oh, sorry. No.
I'm Dmitry Geller from Russia.
Hello, I'm Chavdar Cherne from Bulgaria.
Hi, I'm Tudor from Romania.
Hello, I am Bülent from Turkey, Istanbul.
We are the jury members.
Я счастлив, что я увидел так много хороших фильмов и что фестиваль, что мы приняли решение, которое нас всех устраивает.
I was very pleasantly surprised by some of the films, and some of them had really a lot of artistic maturity for student films.
Exhausted, inspired, and I don't know. Help me.
So 3 words: exhausted, exhilarated, and surprised.
I feel finished and deeply stressed.
It's funny enough if you just put